All right, we're stopping over to the mobile home today to get some more work done on this living room. Last time we finished up all the wall panels, and last night we stopped over here to caulk all the joints. So we sealed up the corners along the ceilings and any nails that were set too deep. So now we are ready for paint. It's a little bit echoey in here, so we're not going to talk too much in this video. We're just going to get to the work and hopefully make this room look a lot better, and with one little change. Previously we had already started painting the living room white. We were going to do the whole room white to match the kitchen dining area. We have since changed our mind. There's just going to be too much white going on in here. We want it to be a little softer, a little cozier. So we're going to be painting over this and hopefully getting a coat on the whole room today. You're going to see the color we chose. So let's get right into it. All right, we made it around the room with the first coat. It's looking really good.
Yeah.
I think with seeing it, I would have went maybe a hair darker.
A little bit.
But I think it still softens up the room because I was feeling like maybe too much bright white was too harsh.
It was too much.
This paint is called Warm Putty, and it's just like a very light tan or beige, very light.
Off-white.
Yeah. And I hope we're gonna like it.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell right now, it's still drying. It's never gonna look right. We'll come back and see what it looks like when it's dry. Hopefully we have enough paint to get a second coat on it. I know we're gonna need to do a little bit of touch up, but we're gonna see how it's looking and we'll go from there. Was this the right color choice? I mean, it's not offensive at all.
Yeah, it's a safe color. I mean,
I was afraid to go darker because when we were going darker, we kept looking at darker colors, but it was like, it starts going too yellow or too
beige, like the primer.
Yeah. I don't know. Let's leave. Well, we are back home. I'm glad we got the first coat on the living room. Now we're going to start another job. We got some weather rolling in. What is this?
Like instantly.
As soon as we start, we're going to be mixing up some concrete, doing a little bit of core filling, nothing exciting. Starting to get some nice windy weather. This is going to feel good. So we're going to be doing this next job in baby steps, a little at a time. We've already started it, actually. But what we have to do is core fill the blocks on our foundation. And instead of doing them all at once, because I'll show you, we have a lot to do, we decided we're going to start just picking up 4 bags at a time whenever we go to the store. So we went to the store to pick up paint, and while we were grabbing paint, we grabbed 4 bags of concrete. It's like 20 bucks or whatever. And then we can just do small trips, a little at a time, and then before we know it, it'll be all done. Because sometimes people will ask us like why we jump around or why we don't finish things. And I think the foundation is an example of that. We did the blocks, but we didn't core fill. But it's just a matter of it's a hassle to get all the concrete we need.
Yeah, I think we figured it out, and we need like over 3,000 pounds of concrete. So it's a lot. Right? So this is what I'm talking about, core filling on the back of our house. These blocks are all dry stacked, and we just need to lock them into place, creating like a retaining wall basically. So I'm gonna crawl under there and start filling in under the steps there. This is a little dry, this mix. It'll be fine. No, I don't want your hands getting concrete on it because it dries them out.
Think we should have done that wetter?
No. It feels perfect.
I'm gonna just try to work in order, try not to get ahead of myself. I just got a big gap down here. Is there a lot left? A little left?
Like 2 more scoops.
Okay.
Good thing we made it kind of thick or else it would be pouring out of that.
Yeah. It's gonna get easier now. We made it out of behind the steps, and I had to do a little bit of touch up inside here. But from now on, I should be able to fill this from the outside. I don't have to be under the house. I'll probably like being under the house more than bending over. Good. That's not bad.
And I think there's one more little job that I think I'll share before we go, and that is painting the front of our house. So as you guys see, we're on like a painting spree lately. We're painting the mobile home, we're painting our siding. Didn't we paint something else?
That was it.
Well, we will be painting something else soon. Because we don't want to look at it anymore. So that's coming soon, but that's all we have for now. Isn't this looking good?
I'm loving it.
That's still one coat. I didn't get the second coat on there. I was going to try to get the peak tonight, but I might just skip it. We'll get there. So
Yeah.
that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.